everyone, welcome back to another episode of Ask DeAvila Sadé with your host, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I am back with a new video. If you're new to my channel is where mental health meets the millennial with just a sprinkle of my Microlocs journey and some travel vlogs here and there, and I'm back with another Microlocs video. Yes. So, you guys know that in the month of September, my goal is to post consistently being once a week on Sundays. So, make sure you're subscribed so you can catch up with me on my mental health content and my Microlocs content. Today, I will be doing a product review. I am so excited to be doing this product because, one, I already love the line. If you don't know, if you haven't been following me, well, first of all, go ahead and look at my entire Microlocs journey. I'll link it up here. But if you haven't been following me, you know that since I started my Microlocs journey, I have been struggling with seborrheic dermatitis. Not so much now that I found some great products to use on my scalp. And one of the great products that my dermatologist recommended to me was the Head & Shoulders Royal Oils line. And when I mean bellissimo, the shampoo is the best, the scalp elixir. I've done tons of videos of me using these products, so I definitely am I'm swearing on this. That is one of the best products. So today I found this. I don't know how I actually found this. I want to say I discovered it maybe on Pinterest or not. But today I'll be trying the Head & Shoulders Royal Oils water activated scalp scrub with coconut oil, and this product removes buildup and renews scalp surface, as well as it's paraben and dye free. So here it is. I went and purchased this with my own money because ain't nobody sponsored me yet, but I went and purchased this with my own money, so I'm super excited. It's 3.4 fluid ounces. Let's see, what does it say in the back? Healthy hair starts from a healthy scalp. I do agree. Infused with non-stripping cleansers and renewing hydrators, the formula draws out impurities and draws in hydration to improve your scalp's condition as you wash. So you're supposed to use this before you shampoo your hair. So I'm excited to put it on my scalp. I don't necessarily think I'm gonna put it directly on my locks, but I am gonna put it on my scalp. The direction says, use before shampooing your hair. In shower, wet hair and divide into sections. While hair is still wet, apply scrub directly onto scalp. Massage scalp with fingertips, not nails, to activate the exfoliating formula. Rinse well, then follow with Head & Shoulders Royal Oils, Moisture Boost shampoo and conditioner or mask. Y'all know that I am still not putting conditioner on my locks. I think I'm going to start in year 2. I'll update y'all on my year 2. It will be this month, so it'll probably be the next video after I drop this one. I'll go ahead and do a 2-year update on my Microlocs since my lock anniversary will be September the 19th. So, yes, I will still be just using the Head & Shoulders shampoo, and I will just be using probably a leave-in once I'm done with this product. So, I'm super excited. This is how it looks. And, of course, again, like I said, I'll be using the shampoo afterwards. So that is the shampoo if you're interested. Y'all, let's go and take this blended off. So I've been in a dilemma, and I'm not going to talk y'all ear off because I know y'all here to see how I feel about this product. But this is my hair today. I haven't washed my hair in about 2 weeks because that's how life be lifing. The thing is, I get a retie this Thursday, and today is Monday. And I'm like, I have a busy week. So usually I wash my hair either the day before I get a retie or the morning of, and I'll just kind of hit a blow dryer over it. I want to braid out because this week will be kind of busy for me. Towards the end of the week, I kind of want to style. So sometimes I'll do braids or pillow curlers, as you have seen. I will use that on my hair. I'll wash my hair and then keep those in for a couple of days and then take them out the day of my retie and, have a cute little style once my retie is done. But yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a braid out, I think. Y'all, my hair is just, my scalp, oh Lord. I already know, it's just, ugh. But yeah, so I'm going to do a braid out. I've got plenty of braid outs on my channel, so you really, I don't think, need to see me do an updated braid out. But maybe you want to see how I keep my hair for how many, like 2 to 3 days of the braids, see how the braids look. I definitely can show you that. I don't mind showing you that, but you won't see the end product of what my hair looks when I take the braids out. I'm just here to give the product review. That's it. That's all. Y'all see my hair is just inches. I can't wait to do my little 2-year update, y'all. Anyway, I know it said, you know, wash this in the shower. Y'all know how much I loathe shower videos, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this hair in the sink and get y'all some good little footage of me washing it in the sink, and then I'll come back here and just give you my honest opinion for the first time using this product. Also know that now that I have been doing YouTube for a while, especially like the Microlocs, I understand that first reviews on products, I'm not going to say are not the best, but I do think sometimes products do have to grow on you. So I'm now more cognizant of it's just the first impression. You know, it might have to grow on me if it doesn't. I'm not sure. Or I might fall in love with it the first time. It doesn't matter. But I'm also, even though this is my first impression, I may use the product a couple of more times before I decide if it's a hit or miss. As you've seen, I've done a past video of my hit or misses with products from my Microlocs. So you can go ahead and check that video out as well. But this is enough rambling. Let me go ahead and get to this kitchen sink so we can wash these locks out for the week. Okay. okay, y'all, I'm back. I just feel like, and I know it's like, DeAvila, the longer my hair gets, the longer it takes to do it. Why it take me over an hour to braid this up? Granted, I did do them kind of medium, so I get that, but Auntie is tired. Okay. So anyway, let's go ahead and do the product review for the Head and Shoulders. Royal Oils Water Activated Scalp Scrub with Coconut Oil. Okay. First impression, I'm gonna stop looking in the mirror. I'm not mad at it. Let's start with the pros. The pros that I like, that it's basically like the same texture as the shampoo. So not too thick. It's a white color if you could see it when I showed it, except it has some exfoliating beads in it. You're not gonna be able to see them because they're so small, but yeah, y'all not gonna be able to see that. It's so small, but you can feel it's like a grit. So I really like that. I really like that it felt like I was exfoliating my scalp. Like it was really getting the extra debris. Again, I hadn't washed my hair in about 2 weeks, so I knew it probably was a little debris, little dirty scalp that needs to come up. But all jokes aside, I really like that. I really like that it was easy to apply. I get why it's a small container because, of course, it's a special product and usually stuff like that kind of can be a little small. I wish it was just in a bigger container, but I mean, I didn't have to use a lot and I just used it once. It didn't say use it twice. So, of course, I shampooed my hair twice. So I did this once and then I shampooed with the Royal Oils shampoo twice. But I only use this one, so I guess this is like a good pre-treatment, which is probably my first pre-treatment I've ever used on my locks. I felt like my scalp did feel cleaner, but this is a product I definitely feel like I'm going to have to try again. I'm going to have to try it a couple more times to see if I actually need it, because the shampoo does such an amazing job that I really feel like I don't need anything else. But I think I'm going to give this a couple of more chances to see how do I really feel using it. So yes, I will right now say it's a good purchase to try if you want like an exfoliator on your scalp, you want to be able to exfoliate your scalp. Like I said, I really like the beads. That's something that was a string pro. I don't even think I have a con for it outside of the size. I don't even think I have a con for this product. So I didn't see any product buildup. I mean, y'all can look at my scalp. Granted, I also just put on some mousse when I was doing my braid out, but I didn't see any residue in my locks. So I was very thankful about that. So that's another pro, that it didn't leave any residue in my hair. Again, I did wash it twice I did shampoo it twice after I used the product, but even then I didn't see any residue in my hair. So it does wash very clean. So that's another one. The smell is not bad at all. The smell is similar to the other products on the line. It just smells like a clean shampoo. It smells like a shampoo, a clean shampoo. So I like the coconut oils. Usually it has like apple cider vinegar in these products in the line. So I don't think it has apple cider vinegar in here. But it's a clean smell. It's nothing that's overwhelming. So I will drop the link below if you want to try it for yourself. Again, I'm going to give it a couple of more tries before I say if it's a hit or a miss just yet. So I didn't fall in love the first time using it. But that is it. That is it for my channel. This is how I'll be wearing my hair for the next couple of days until I take the braids out and do get my hair retightened. Usually I will do a little side part, spice it up some days, a deep side part sometimes. So sometimes I'll do this and I'll do like a little side part to make it a little more feminine for me. But yeah, this is how I'm going to be wearing my hair for the rest of the week until Thursday. It's Monday until Thursday. I'll probably take it out Thursday morning before I go to my retie appointment. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more Microlocs and mental health content. Follow me on the TikTok. Y'all know I just love calling TikTok. The TikTok app, follow me on there, Dr. DeAvila. And then also you can follow me on Twitter, DeAvila Sadé. All of that will be linked below as well. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.